Hey guys, and welcome to another vlog. Today I just wanted to take you guys along with me on just like a random day off. Alex and I are off together and we decided it'd be nice to go to Boston for the day. It's actually already like the afternoon. It's like 12. We plan on leaving at 1, getting there for like 3. We have reservations at a restaurant that we have a gift card to. Thank you to my aunt and uncle for gifting us this for Christmas. Gave us an excuse to go to Boston today. But yeah, so I just wanted to take you guys along with me for the day and take you guys around Boston. It's kind of like gloomy out though, so hopefully the weather gets it together for this vlog. And yeah, if you're interested in spending the day with me, keep watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday and Friday when I upload. And let's get this vlog started. Actually, I'm gonna take you guys to my room. I want to show you guys my outfit of the day because I actually am really digging it. So this is the OOTD for the day. It's actually like starting to warm up a little bit. It's in the 40s today. So I have on this like mock neck black top. It's warm but like not too suffocating. And then I have this stunning shacket, you guys. You will not believe where I got this from, or actually you probably will be if you know me. This is from Amazon. Like, aren't the colors in it just so freaking cute? I want to do another like Amazon fashion favorites because I've found so many cute fashion finds like this jacket, some really pretty jewelry pieces, and these leggings are from Zara. They're my favorite like leather leggings. And then these boots are from Loveraid. I love them because they're heeled but they are so comfy. Like I could walk for hours in these and never be uncomfortable. And then I got my cute little Kate Spade bag that I vamped up with this little strap from Amazon. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna bring a jacket or not. I probably should because it will get chillier tonight, but this is the outfit that we have going on so far. I feel like from far away it looks like I'm not wearing any pants. Cute. And this is Alex's OOTD for the day. Can we take a look at these ones though? What are these called again, babe?
The Leatherman.
Leatherman. Let her man. They're technically women's ones, but they are cute. Here we go. Okay. So we almost decided not to go because it's literally started raining out. It's supposed to be raining in Boston too, so that's fun. But we decided to just go with the flow and go because I just feel like ever since we moved to Connecticut, there's been so much going on between like moving into our new house, getting situated in the house, renovations in the house, that like we haven't had time on our days off to just like go to different places, do different things, and just like do all the things that we were excited about when we initially decided to move here. So we're just gonna fight through it. We're gonna go to Boston, we're gonna have a good time. The rain will not kill our vibe. You guys ever have those makeup days where you just feel so blah, so then you start caking on more makeup and then you finish your makeup and you're like, holy crap, I have so much makeup on. That's how I feel right now. Cheers. Thanks, babe, for coffee. It's so nice out. This park gives me Central Park vibes, right babe?
A lot smaller.
It goes pretty big. I forget the name of it though. It's really nice. And during Christmas they like put lights up everywhere. This is the park that we saw a bunch of rats running around. I think it's the same park actually. How's your coffee?
Good.
Almost fell and busted my butt. Just walking around. Babe, having a good time?
What, baby?
Having a good time?
Yeah.
Babe, in a future life, wouldn't you want to live in one of these buildings?
No.
What? They're so pretty. Look at that. In another life.
I would never want to live on a main strip like this.
It would be fun. I feel like you get the city vibes like New York, but just cleaner and just so pretty. My sister would die right now. She's obsessed with dried hydrangeas. I literally want to reach over and take a bunch. Wait, what's wrong with the bread?
There's only 3 pieces. The best thing that they have to offer is their bread.
How could they do this to us? 3 pieces?
This is sad.
Just kidding. Alex and I made a thing where like, if we're ever deciding between 2 restaurants, always pick the restaurant with free bread. That's a motto to go by in life. Is it good? Can I have a bite?
It's spicy.
Oh really? You were gonna say yes? You know we always say no, get so mad at me. Our time in Boston was short-lived. We just left Maggiano's. It was very good. So Maggiano's is a restaurant we used to always go to in Tampa. It's like a chain restaurant, but their food is so good. So we had a gift card there that my lovely aunt and uncle gave us for Christmas. And so we were finally able to go there. And I liked it because it just kind of reminded me of Tampa. And it just made it feel like I was back at home. But anyways, it was really good. The food was delicious. Boston is pretty. And now we're about to head home. And Alex asked an amazing question. What was your question that you asked?
What you mean? I asked if we can go to Target.
And I said, what? Is this a type of sick joke? You hate Target. And I love Target. So we're going to Target after this. So we'll probably take you guys with us there. Alex is just trying to get something for our sink, but you know me. I'll be all over the store.
If I'm gonna go home, changing the shorts and go for a run.
Don't do that to us. Yo, people in Boston be running, or in Connecticut too. I'm just like, what's wrong with you guys? It's 32 degrees outside, and they're out here just jogging like nothing in shorts. Meanwhile, I have this giant puffer, 2 layers underneath. I don't get people. What's going on, babe?
This GPS is crazy. I just did like 4 circles to get.
Do it again?
I basically just have to live like I'm having deja vu when I'm with you.
Why?
Because you asked me to do everything again.
Because it's so funny, I want to see it 6 times in a row.
No. Like, it's like deja vu. Like, I don't know if it's deja vu or if I'm just doing it again.
Babe, do that again.
No.
Say it again. Guys, this was me and Alex's wedding song, or our first dance.
No, our wedding song.
It was our wedding song? We didn't walk down the aisle to it.
It doesn't mean you walk down the aisle.
Oh.
I'm still afraid to turn on. Oh. Although now most of my days spent alone.
Alex is talking about baby stuff. We don't even have a kid yet. You're so dumb. Cry detection technology.
If it cries, if the baby cries, this will start to rock.
Dang! How much is
getting
this? $650? Oh, that's not bad.
$100.
Not bad.
I'm buying that for sure.
Too bad we don't got a kid yet. That is very sleek, and it looks super
It's nice.
certified wannabe dad.
Bella had one of these. She loved it.
This looks so soft for our bed. These large knit blankets for the foot of the bed.
More? No.
They have such cute bedding. This would be a nice accent chair for our living room. It was a joke. It was a joke. Ooh, candles. My favorite section. Fig tree. This is cute. How much is she? 44. So cute. Who's a good boy gets a snack? Who's a good boy? Nice. 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 No, nice. Not nice. Good boy, Joka. Good boy, Best Bunny. That's a good Best Bunny. Alright, see you later. So here's my little Target haul. So I got this guy, the Fit Me Dewy and Smooth. I used to like, swear by this in high school. This is like the only foundation that I would use, and I remember it used to break me out when I was like a sophomore, so hopefully it works good for me now. My skin's been needing something with a little more hydration, and I got the shade 210 Sand Beige. My dessert for today, M&M. These are the brownie M&Ms. They are very good, super healthy, gluten-free, vegan. Just kidding, but they're yummy. And then I got the Fit Me foundation in 355. Okay, 355. I got this to contour. I saw Harush on YouTube using it and it made me want to try it. And then I also got this number 7 powder, which is said to be a dupe of the, hey guys, of the Charlotte Tilbury one. And I got it in medium. So I'm excited to try this out. Hopefully it is a dupe. Let me show you guys what the color looks like. It does look a little light, but I figured like maybe it's like sheer, so hopefully it like looks good on. But that's her. And yeah, I'm gonna eat my snack. We're gonna watch the Celtics play. Babe, what time do the Celtics play?
They should be tipping off within the next like 5 minutes or so.
We're gonna watch the Celtics game. I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna clean off my makeup. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us and spending the day in Boston and Target and all that with us. If you guys want to see more vlogs, let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up for more videos from moi, and hit that, I already said hit that subscribe button. But yeah, I post videos every Wednesday and Friday, so stay tuned. I love you all so much, and I pray that you all stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!